Hi class, this video is going to be on the addition and subtraction of radicals. And the example that we're going to do is 5 times the 4th root of y to the 5 minus 2y 4th root of y plus the 4th root of 16 y to the 7. Well, the first thing we have to do here is factor the 16, because anytime we're simplifying radicals, we want to make sure all of our numbers are factored as far as possible. And so hopefully you remember that 16 is equal to 2 to the 4. So that's going to give us 5 times the 4th root of y to the 5 minus 2y times the 4th root of y plus the 4th root of 2 to the 4 y to the 7. Now the next thing we want to do is add any terms that have like radicals. In its current state, it looks like we don't have any like radicals. However, we also should notice that this radical can be simplified because the power of 5 is bigger than the index of 4. And same thing with this one. The power of 4 is equal to the index of 4, which means it can be simplified further, and the power of 7 is also bigger than the index of 4, which means that it can be simplified. So let's go ahead and simplify this. And we see, okay, the coefficient of 5 is going to stay, but the 4th root of y to the 5, well, 4 goes into 5 one time, with 1 left over. So we get this. This next term is completely simplified because this y has a power of 1, which is less than the index of 4. So this one just stays as is. There's nothing more we can do. But now this one, the 4th root of 2 to the 4, 4 goes into 4 once, with 0 left over. And then we see that 4 goes into 7 twice. I'm sorry, it goes into 7 once, but it has 3 left over. So we're going to have a y, but then a y cubed left inside. And now we can see that these two terms are like terms. More specifically, what makes them like terms is that they both have y 4th root of y, 4th root of y. So we can think of this whole y 4th root of y as its own x, or even, bananas. I have 5 bananas minus 2 bananas. That's going to leave me with 3 bananas, or in this case, the banana is y 4th root of y, and then plus the 2y 4th root of y cubed. We cannot add these together because in order to add radicals together, they must have the same index of 4, which they do, but they also must have the same power, the same radicand. The whole radicand inside has to be the same, and in this case it's not, because this radicand has a power of 3. So that means that we are now done, and this is our final answer.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.